can't enjoy this coconut water. Nick, edit this all out. If it looks too, if this. Where's my phone? Hey Siri, get out from wherever you are. Where's my phone? I just had it. Ew, it's so. I can't actually. Oh, here's my phone. Jesus, Mary. Nick, edit all this out. This is not okay. Here we go. It's a scrumptious. I'm sorry, listen, I'm not trying to be mean. It's a scrumptious indigenous Filipino cuisine dish from northern regions. Made with vegetables and fish and shrimp sauce. Oh, it must be the shrimp. Oh! I knew it before people call me disrespectful. Excuse me, picabet is made from vegetables fish. The word contracted from the word, I can't even say that word, to form the word picabet, meaning skunk. Okay, we're gonna call it scrumptious skunk. Cheapers, creepers. It says other vegetables include eggplant, tomato, okra, string beans, chilies, prada, with prada, the devil wore, I don't know, winged beans. What's winged beans? Chicken wings, I don't know. Scrumptious skunk veggies. I'm sorry, obviously, he's not disrespectful. The translation is scrumptious skunk. Don't come here, it's gotta go. Goodbye, gotta go. Scrumptious skunk, gotta go. That's, I knew I was a tripping. I knew it, I'm not disrespectful, I'm not even hyping it up. That was horrid. Skunk, literally, I felt like I was eating skunk. Next, we're gonna try this thing here, which looks sweet. We need something real sweet. It's very sweet. Ew, ew. Should my chopsticks? This is probably not. Ooh. I think it's made from banana. It's deep fried. Oh, cheapers. I'm just using my hands. It's deep fried, I believe. It's very crispy. Listen. Oh, can you see me behind this bowl? Get this out of here. All right, here I go. Okay, it's kind of good at first. The texture's great. I'll give them that. I taste the banana, but there's something very tart in it or on it. I'm like, banana, crispy. And then I'm like, ooh, what is that? But is it molasses? It reminds me, I used to have molasses as a dietary supplement when I was vegan, and my parents came out. I couldn't stand nothing more. It was really bad. That was probably calculated for hormones, but whatever. It reminds me of that molasses, which is hard, very good. Oh my gosh, this is really good. Okay, next up, we're gonna try, let's try these noodles here. This one. This is called Singapore Kids Good Chicken. Let's wait a minute. Pancit Sontagan chicken. Pancit Sontagan. Okay, let's try the pancit Sontagan. Is that chicken? Yeah, it's chicken. Pancit Sontagan. Ooh, oh. These are little glass noodles, it looks like. I thought glass noodles were a Korean thing, and rice noodles were Vietnamese. I need to learn my history. All right, here we go. That is an interesting texture. Maybe I did too much more. That feels like SpongeBob coming to life in your mouth. Like it feels like a creature's growing. I know that sounds weird. I don't know. It's like. Well, can you hear that? Okay, it's actually like an ASMR person. It's like the noodles. They're getting jelly, so when you bite down and release, they bite back. It's like Jello. It's like I like it. I'm not crazy about it, but it's a step up from skunk. A lot of steps up. This is actually nice. How do you this something in Thailand? Which again, they serve everything in Italy. All right, now okay, you're still in culture. I've lived in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand multiple times. Okay, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars in Asian countries. I'm not scared or anything about. People get mad at me for the picabets. I'm not. I swear I'm not being dramatic. Those I looked at the translation. It translates to skunk. So don't even cover me. Just one of those daring things. Like what in America? What do you dare to have here? That's really horrible. That we like to eat. Let me think here. Hot dogs. The texture is wild. It's excuse me. SpongeBob. It's savory. Tastes like mushrooms, kind of. So far, this is my favorite. Let's try this one. This one is pancit bihon chicken. Let's see the receipt. Pancit bihon chicken. Okay, here we go. Let's try this. It tastes so similar to this one back here. Like I would think I just grabbed from a different spot. Like it doesn't taste any different. It's fine. But God, it's fine. It's good. It's good. The texture is kind of cool, and the flavor is just like earthy. Tastes like earth, but in a good way. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Get my spoon. We have chicken adobo. We have to try. Let's do the chicken adobo. I've had adobo rice from Jollibee. So chicken, they mash it up. They add the adobo, which I don't know if it's a seasoned chicken basically, and they mix it up with rice. It's garlic. They sell at Jollibee's. Oh yeah, that kind of stuff. So this comes in like a broth. It looks like. I don't know if you can see. Oh, don't just really good today. It's just water. I swear. Look at that. Comes in like a little bath. So let's try. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try some garlic rice over here. Look at. Oops. Oh. The rice is unsalted. It's unsalted. Am I tripping? Wait a minute. Tastes greasy. I like it. Tastes garlicky. Nice garlic tastes like which is good for me. I want to get too sick. I love rice. I used to live off rice. I lost 89 pounds one time eating rice and potatoes. I used to do something called Church Solution-ish. I lost 89 pounds. True story. You can Google what I used to look like. In flashbacks to the vegan days over here. But no salt. Wow. I'm fully covering my face. Excuse me. Oh, okay. This is like a hit of salt. So maybe you're supposed to pair them, you know. Because this is overly salty. Not overly. It's a good amount. This is tasty. I love this adobo chicken. And if I wash down some of that sodium, have some rice. This is so much fun. Okay, now we have to try this. It looks like an omelet. Where's my box? It's called Tua Tang Talong. There's a receipt for that. Tua Tang Talong only. Single Tua Tang. All right. And I asked her what it was, and she said it's like an egg omelet. Okay. Looks like there's a banana at the end. That would be. It's like is that chicken? Why is there, is this, to me this looks like, can you see this right here? I'm like holding it, it looks like the end of a banana or an okra, but it could be in the mouth of a duck. I don't know what I'm eating. Alright, here we, oops, okay. Are those eggs, like fish eggs? No, it's all attached, so it must be like, it looks like the inside's like passion fruit. What? I'm totally, we don't eat this. Totally dissecting this over here, I'm so sorry. Let's just go for it, let's go for the twirl along. Twirl along, tell long. What was that? It was like, I can't, okay, use my fingers. It literally reminds me of a big omelet. What are those stringy things? Are those okras? It tastes like egg. It tastes like, there's definitely egg because I taste like French toast-ish. But it tastes like grocery store. Like, this flavor reminds me of when I used to see my uncle in Massachusetts. You go to that grocery store that had this little dingy smell. It reminds me of the grocery store my uncle bought. It's so strange. What am I eating? Wait a minute. What am I? It tastes like old moldy mom and pop grocery store with a little bit of egg and French toast. Hey Siri, I need your help. We're not gonna ask Siri because I just tried. This is gonna be called tort. Oh, I think it's just tort long. Tort long, talong. It's known as an eggplant. Eggplant! That's what, I'm like, what are those little dots in the middle? It looks like okra, but it's not savvy, so it can't be okra. It reminds me of a vegetable, but it looks like escargot. It's eggplant. That was the inside to an eggplant. Oh my god, I haven't had one of those forever. I noticed there are these a lot. Oh, I should try this too. And this. There's a lot of eggplant and stuff. Pan-fried grilled whole eggplants dipped in egg mixture. Very popular for breakfast and lunch. Sometimes stuffed with meat, seafood, or other vegetables. Okay. Thank you. The flavor is very strange. I mean, what am I tasting? Is it like a certain type of oil? It's like, you know, okay, no, you know, I'm not crazy. You know, you go to a library and you find one of those old books from the 1960s, the one your mom used to read, right? And the pages are